Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you the best way to make your timetable. The first thing you need to note is that you should always make your own timetable. Never rely on someone else's timetable because you are the one who has to follow the timetable. So it's better if you make your own timetable. Also, no one can know you better than yourself. Keeping this in mind, let's get started. So now, the first thing which you need to do is jot down all the things which you do in a day, whether productive or unproductive. Whatever you do, just write it down. Like cycling, studying, playing, eating, watching phone, all these are part of your day-to-day activities. Watching phone also consumes your time, so you need to jot it down. As I told you, productive or unproductive, no matter what, just jot it down. After you have jotted down all the tasks, just prioritize your tasks, the tasks which you feel are important. So, basically, what I mean to say is that you assign time for every task. Start with the things which are unavoidable, like getting ready, which includes bathing, brushing, eating. You cannot live without eating. So eating also consumes time. So now suppose you know that you take around 1 hour to get ready, so just write a time that you need 1 hour to get ready. Then suppose whatever you eat in a day, it takes around 1 hour, be it snacks, breakfast, lunch, dinner. If not 1 hour, then 1.5 hours including everything. So you are done. And one more thing, sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required. So just write all these unavoidable tasks. Now start with the important tasks like studies. Then yoga can be included in important tasks. So like this, according to you, what you feel is important, you can make a list of your own tasks which you feel are important and then assign the required time. For example, if for studies, suppose you think that you need at least 3 to 4 hours, then write for studies I need 4 hours. So now in a similar way, assign the time for every task. First start with unavoidable tasks, then important, and then come to the unimportant tasks. If you are left with time, then you can assign time for unimportant tasks. If not, then you can leave it because they're unimportant. And remember that don't get so engrossed in making your timetable that at the end of the day you just realize that you have crossed 24 hours. So you need to keep in mind that you just have 24 hours, and within that 24 hours you need to plan everything. So now after you have done this, now what you have to do is you need to decide which time of the day will be given to which tasks. So this comes at last, and the most common mistake which the people do while making the timetable is that they directly jump to this last step. What you'll do, suppose if I tell you that you have to make your timetable, what you'll do, simply you'll take a pen and a paper and you'll simply write like this: 8 o'clock I'll wake up, then 8 to 9 I'll get ready. So in this way you start jotting down your things, and this is where you commit a mistake because you don't have any plan. You're simply just writing whatever is coming in your mind. You don't have any outline, any blueprint, and in this way your timetable becomes haphazard and you don't feel like following it because you feel that you have missed something. It's better first you make a structure, you make an outline, and then plan your day according to that outline. You already have the basic structure, you just need to assign the time for every task. Basically, I've already assigned the time. You just need to plan out which time will be given to which task. Suppose if for studies you wrote 4 hours, then you need to plan out which 4 hours you have to give for studies. In the morning 2 hours and in the evening 2 hours. In that way. I hope you all got it, and according to me, this is the most productive way of timetable because you get a structure, you get a plan, and the best thing about making your own timetable is that you get an inclination to follow that timetable. You know that you have made it yourself, so it gives you a drive to follow. This was all for today's video. If you found it useful, beneficial, then do tell us in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.